One medium-sized cantaloupe. This recipe too could be kiwi. One thing about using the cantaloupe, with it being the colon, is that the color orange is associated with the second area of the body. First area is red, and that corresponds to like where you pee and poop, your bottom. This goes more up into the next section where your colon would be sitting. So I figured it's okay. And you can see there's the green there. Kiwi has its lovely properties as well. And if you're just going with Western ideas, then it probably doesn't matter. But in Ayurveda, for instance, there are certain foods for certain constitutions. Pitta, Vata, Kapha. And some fruits can aggravate if, for instance, if Pitta is inflamed, which is a fire, maybe reducing hot foods. Or I think even kiwi elimination for a little while helps. Whereas if from a kapha, where it's harder to lose weight, perhaps, adding more spicy. So here's the cantaloupe peeled. I simply do this. If you don't feel safe holding it, I often don't hold it. And into this can go faster if you don't talk. If some seeds go in, it is almost beneficial. You can consider that. They're edible. In Asian countries, they're actually a commodity, meaning people use them in their cooking. Melon seeds. They could be dehydrated and ground in a coffee grinder or a blender, fine. This is a fabulous melon.
I'm using the back of the knife for that. Taking out.
Oh, the microphone is full of melon now. This is a technique for if you have some skill and a sharp knife, not to go against the edge of the blender, but to go down through some of the bigger pieces in here. Keeps all the juice, lowers the amount of mess. We're getting in there as much as possible. And they go. Seeds for the garden, compost.